it's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we are with Najeeriii, 1Rifle. Yes, 1Rifle. This one's been in the comment section a few times, but I didn't have the time to do it. But I've got the time now, so we're gonna jump in the one and here with the G office say Najeeriii, 1Rifle. Hope I can understand everything where drunk upon some tear I say. So let's jump in the one and here with the G. We're gonna say Najeeriii. Let's go. 1Rifle. Akka that man.
Is that Carter?
Production team, big up.
Have 1Rifle me need. And you want me pint in my squeeze. Hot up your place, 90 degrees. Me no frightened for boys and no frightened for me. Can't type.
Hold on, me can't understand. Look like a G Rappy Benz too. I want different car this. I read the Benz.
Carter?
I want rifle me need.
And you want me pint in my
Squeeze.
Hot up your place, 90
Yeah.
Have 1Rifle me need. And you want me pint in my squeeze. Hot up your place, 90 degrees. Me no frightened for boys and no frightened for me. Can't tight to a pit, so me tight to the street. 16 magazines and a Bible we keep.
Can't tie it to the so me tied to up. Yo, let me just say, look, I can take advice from the fans them we can't understand what I say, and probably his colleagues as well, cause his song, his sound was just too underground. I would say, is it too is that the right term to use? And a lot of people find it hard to understand everything I say, including myself. But I'm telling you now, there was people out there where I sing him song them read for it. I'm like, drunk up on them tear, that's how I'm here. You see me? Master Bank template. That's how I'm here. But it makes sense because I actually check the lyrics for the song, but the was a spit. But this me can't hear everything when I say. Big up myself, Najeeriii. Big up, bro.
Me squeeze.
Yeah.
Hot up your place, 90 degrees. Me no frightened for boys and no frightened for me. Can't tight to a pit, so me tight to the street. 16 magazines and a Bible we keep. Kill off our enemy, nightly we tweet. All two of me are 6'5", we shot in his face with a 9mm.
Bumbleclad. Although me a 6'5", we shot in your face with a 9mm. Yo.
16 magazines and a Bible we keep. Kill off our enemy, nightly we tweet. All two of me are 6'5", we shot in his face with a 9mm. Take care and give each other. From we born we real bad. Belly scratch your teapot. 2 we at dark is here. Just cabbage and can we need that. Them do it all for media. 3Rifle cause the feature. Oh me fi follow boy I'm a born for lead fam.
Bumbleclad man say a 3Rifle cause for a feature. So basically, when a person link him to do a feature, this is how I get from the line. I could be wrong. When a person link him to do a feature, the money when him charge can buy a 3Rifle with these. That's expensive.
3Rifle cause the feature. Oh me fi follow boy I'm a born for lead fam. For shot. But Q1 cause by for rock. Tell her this straight. If you fire rifle one time, then a rifle man. If you know
Binds. Alright, no more binds. One more bind. Binds. Blood clot.
Tell her this straight. If you fire rifle one time, then a rifle man.
No.
If you know me now, we are never poison. A couple shot a stifle man. Like answer watch baptize you at. I will buy shot by the box, my dog sickly quick fi kill I kill as your back.
What?
A couple shot a stifle man. Like answer watch baptize you at.
Like ants and roach, baptize and rat. They must say, yo, if you're a rat in the camp, or if you're a rat around him, or if you're a rat in general, poison you. Just like how normal people poison ants and roach. Yes.
A couple shot a stifle man. Like answer watch baptize you at. I will buy shot by the box, my dog sickly quick fi kill idle as your badness of a rich fi live like the god. Me no thump out like Tyson, rifle, my rise for that. Got them a crosses, bro. Badness in I'm a rotted blood. I'm a granddaddy started first, my daddy just pass it down. Never rubber and a cream, I'm a blacker than tarring. So when me a bleach till morning come.
Bombo binds. The man same blacker than tar, never rubber and a cream, brother. But him a bleach till morning come. You know what I mean, brother? 6'5", turn up on your door, we are wait for you. Anyway, you're there, any party you're holding from. I could have even your friend, your girl, anybody I get it. Binds.
Then I'm a rotted blood. I'm a granddaddy started first, my daddy just pass it down. Never rubber and a cream, I'm a blacker than tarring. So when me a bleach till morning come. Just make a go and make it feel like all is done. Them pussy they no pan this us.
Blood clot. If you do something, if you do me something, make you feel at peace and safety. But when you check it out as sudden destruction and your bombo clot, binds. That me a talk about sudden destruction under your ass, man. Yeah, don't drink it soup when it hot. Drink it when it cold. Binds. Yeah, binds. What you got now,
so when me a bleach till morning come. Just make a go and make it feel like all is done. Them pussy they no pan this us. I want to ride from the need. And you want me pint in the squeeze. Hot up the place, 90 degrees. Me not frightened for boys and I'm frightened for me. Can't tie to a bit, so me tight to the street. 16 magazines and a Bible we keep. Kill off our enemy, nightly we tweet. All two of me are 6'5", me shot in it.
Hold on, I'm touch back on something.
Tight to a bit, so me tight to the street. 16 magazines and a Bible we keep.
16 magazine and the Bible we keep. So it matters that in a back pocket. You know, some people walk with them Bible in them back pocket. The G tell you say you 16 magazine in that, brother. Yes. Rifle we keep and a Bible.
Can't tie to a bit, so me tight to the street. 16 magazines and a Bible we keep. Kill off our enemy, nightly we tweet. All two of me are 6'5", me shot in it face with a 9mm. So you can't give each other. So we born we real bad. Belly scotch your teapot, too we at dark is here. Just cabbage and corn, we need that. Them do it all for media. 1Rifle, cause we feature. Oh, if you follow boy, and we born for live from. When you got no rifle shot, but Cuban cause wife tell her it's straight. Pussy them on a rifle, man. Wicked.
Is that harder?
I'm on a bass pen.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Right there. Big up yourself, Najeeriii. Yes. More clarity is there. And me like it. Big up yourself, production team behind that one here. Yes. Najeeriii, big up yourself, bro. I'm proud. I am pleased with the quality that we're getting right now. I understand? But yeah. Make a leave on right yourself. If you enjoy that one, I want some more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe on there if you want to see you in the next one.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.